I'm about to do a video for my channel from here, right? Today we're at Cohen's Mini Mart and Bar instead of Cohen's Auto Collision, but it's the same motion no matter where we go, okay? Business, enterprising, that is my father's game, and I grew up around him, and I know what it is. Pick up yourself. All right, guys, so I'm out here back in my roots. Cohen's Mini Mart and Bar also has plumbing and electrical supplies. And I think there's a clothing store right here. And we also have an internet provider. So the plumbing and electrical supplies are in the back. And internet providers right here. And the clothing store is right there. This is Cohen's Mini Mart and Bar. It's the Mini Mart and that's the bar. And yeah, so my dad has businesses in New York and in Jamaica, but this one is really here for supporting in the community. It's a long drive. I don't know if you guys really see, but it's mountains and there's not a lot for miles. So, so you would have to drive really far sometimes just to, get something to eat, get some chicken, get some chips, maybe some milk, some bread, some eggs. So that's why this is here. And I don't know a lot of people that would be up in Mount Prospect. That's where we're from. But if you are ever up here, and there are people who are like my dad, coming back here, building their homes, and because it could be an alternative to the madness that's going on out there. Like, let's keep it real. Like if all else fails and you guys piss me off too much, I'll be right here, chilling, start living off the land. What you talking about? Like, what are y'all really talking about? Like, you know what? I gotta give thanks, man. Like, oh God, I thank you for my blessings. Each and every day I'm blessed and highly favored. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Anyway, so I'm here trying to create a video to just show where my motivation comes from. It comes from here. This wasn't always here, right? We came to America and then we worked hard, right? And thank God we had the opportunity. Thank God my parents had the opportunity that they had, and we had an administration that was for people coming in and progressing and helping immigrants. Because if it was the same environment that there is now back then, I might not be here. I might not be able to create a YouTube channel, have the wherewithal to understand that there's a lot of history and ancestry in my past that gives me the drive that I have. So anyway, less about me, more about you guys. Like I said, I wanted to do a video to tell you, based on what's coming along, or based on what's about to happen, you guys got to be more savvy and stay on top of your game when it comes to car repairs. People are going to be out there on the street working, um, you know, back to driving on the road, and more potential for car accidents, more potential for whatever to happen, and you got to be able to kind of navigate that whole process. Not to mention, if you have a car right now, I suggest that you maintain it, right? Because if you end up back in the car market with the way things are going, you know, you might be in a worse situation than the current one you already in. So anyway, that's that. Like I said, if you have a good relationship with your repair shop, I always say that. So if you have a good relationship with your repair shop, you should be able to talk to them and avoid like being overcharged by the dealer, and just, you know, being a more savvy car owner, and being able to adapt to different changes in the market and industry. You guys basically, you know, deciding to maintain your cars now instead of, you know, getting into the market and buying new ones. And it's a smart idea to maintain your current cars, just because, um, you know, the market is getting crazy. Things are going up, especially from business owners' perspective. You can see the price of the parts and the materials going up already. You know, and then also delays in the whole repair process. So if you guys stay savvy, you'll be able to navigate that process a little bit better. Like I'm always saying in all my videos. Yeah, but here today, I am out here with the family, and it's not just going to be about auto collision. I'm going to show you a little bit of where I come from. Check it out. Debbie. I decided to make a video because even though I'm in Jamaica trying to take a break, I'm seeing what's going on over there in America, and it's kind of crazy. From the guy that got sent to the Venezuelan jail to, you know, the tariffs and just what's to come. The incompetence is crazy, but if you stay informed, you can still capitalize on what's going on in today's world. So right now I'm here in Jamaica, West Indies, in an unknown location. But it's my father's basically, you know, land, and it's our home away from home if we ever wanted to get up out of America. But not a lot of people are set up like us, and not a lot of people have the resources, you know, on a serious note, to be able to escape what's going on in the other countries, you know, and I'm very grateful for all of that. No, it's all right. You're in my video, mommy. It's okay. Hey, what's up? Hey, hello, mom. All right. So, Rex, what's up, buddy? What's up? So, okay. So, car repairs in Jamaica. Ah. So this is a situation that happened here. They attempt to repair it, if you can see that. You know, but I'm not so sure about the products and the materials that they use to repair that plastic. So I think we should just change it, but it's still pretty nice. Hello. Hello. I'm ready to have the doctor's done. The doctor's done.
Your seat is in the car?
Yeah. Yeah. Which car? Which one are we taking? That one? Oh, no, it's not. I gotta put it in there. Bah. Okay, thank you for the doctor. Thank you for the doctor.
God have mercy. Yeah, you gotta bring a belly here.
Man, everywhere we go, he starts a business. He has a business. This is our shop. This is the kitchen area where they cook sometimes, and this is actually behind the scenes of Cohen's Mini Mart, the next business. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Local shop for the people in the community. And, you know, don't think we are like making a killing here. Really, it's mostly providing for the people in the community. And yeah, there's a bunch of shops around like it. Have a little bar section. I'm going to take you into that. And then we're going to hit the road. Jamaica soon. This is our bar, you know, for the evening times. But yeah, there's a lot going on, man. The entrance to the to either or, so you can get to this place and that place. Okay. Why? So this is what the restaurant? What's it? Ah, Pops is selling this stuff. The plumbing.
Yeah.
Is Pops selling this? Oh, I did not know. I thought somebody rented this out.
Just the right hand side. Nice.
Oh, that's crazy. I had no idea he was. This is him, too. So if somebody want to buy this stuff, you come up here and sell it to them. I thought somebody was renting this out. It's you.
Yeah, Papa doing a lot of different things.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Papa. Did you see Papa's store? Look around over this, okay, man. Red shoes and handbags. You people ain't gonna buy them, you know?
Well,
No, and again, they come buy some. Because they want to give away, they want to give away. You know,
yeah.
You know when people don't want to buy nothing? They want to give them.
The cars from Japan?
Not really.
No?
Oh, you mean Jamaica?
Like Jamaica, yeah. Not you, just specifically. So like these Mazdas, they would come from Japan too. Yeah. This came from
From the US.
New York. Yes. I picked those. I did this. Me and Dad went in on this one. And it's here. You know what I'm saying? So I could, all the Beamer fellas shipping down their cars. I could ship down cars too. You know what I'm saying? But I don't drive fast. I just don't drive fast. That's not what I do. I'm actually risk averse, actually. It's lovely. And I really don't like to go too fast. Risk my life. But yeah. Debs, what's up? You gonna be on YouTube now. Debbie is family, the basically house manager, everything, business manager for us down here.